This is Pink Frog Yellow Boots from Behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. Today's video is about seasonal affective disorder. It is a mood disorder that impacts people during change of season and stays throughout the season. Most prominently, it is seen during the winter season due to lack of sunlight, but it is also seen during the summer season. Major symptoms that a person should be observing during the change of season are feeling of sadness throughout the day consecutively, loss of interest in activities that you used to enjoy and love doing, having change in your eating pattern, you're eating less or more, which also leads to change in your weight, that is increasing or decreasing weight, having problem with sleep, that is you have issues where your sleep breaks or you are not able to sleep or you sleep too much. Next is feeling sluggish or agitated, that is feeling irritated and having no energy or low on energy, tiredness, cranky. Next is feeling of hopelessness and worthlessness. Here it is that anything you will do will not turn out as you are expecting it to turn out, or everything you do is not yielding the result that you desire, or whatever you do turns out to be wrong. You don't know how to do. There is a mind block that tells you that no matter what you do, it will not be right. You don't know how to do things. You are just not enough. Having difficulty concentrating. Anything that you used to do nicely or up to the mark to your satisfaction, suddenly you feel that it is taking longer time. You're not able to focus and concentrate on what is happening or what you are doing. Moreover, you have thoughts of death and dying. You also don't feel like doing anything throughout the day. You want to be in your bed. Daily life activities become difficult for you. Any sort of change that happens and is not leading to a healthier, happier living is something that needs to be concerned of. So, these symptoms that I mentioned should be taken into consideration, and it is important to seek professional help if something like this is happening. Seasonal affective disorder is a disorder that impacts you every time the season comes, that is once in a year, every year. It is important to have a diagnosis that is done by a authorized certified person so that the credibility of your diagnosis is there. Also, it is important to not self diagnose and do things just by yourself, because there could be other comorbid or associated things that might be impacting you. You might be taking certain medications that not might be just right for you. So it is important to consider all those things. Major thing that need to be done on a daily basis are to prevent, and as precautionary measures are taking proper sunlight. Specifically, if you take sunlight at least for half an hour between 8 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning, it helps. Also, stretching yourself a little, doing exercise at least 20 minutes a day is advised. If you see anybody or yourself going through anything, the symptoms might be from mild, medium to severe intensity. If these things are causing trouble, it is something that can be helped with. It is not something that you need to suffer silently with. If there are things like this happening, consider at least having one session, one consultation with a psychiatrist, psychologist, so that they can give you a proper, more meaningful, more helpful diagnosis and method to cope with it, to get through it. Also, when I mention seasonal affective disorder, as I mentioned, specifically during winter season, you will see oversleeping, overeating, which causes again weight gain, and social withdrawal. During the summer season, you have trouble sleeping, poor appetite, a lot of anxiety, and you get angry over little things, and have violent behavior. This could be very much or this could be very less. When you see yourself going through these, you might not have all the symptoms, you might have few symptoms, but it is important that you give yourself that much consideration, because you matter, you are valuable, and you don't need to suffer when something like this can be helped through. Have a good week ahead. Take care.